Alright guys, it's Matt with Natural Chemist. So we just got our cactus juice in the mail. So we've been kind of waiting for like 4 days now on color. So Dad's got this spalted wood here. I got some like bird's eye maple, and I'm just going to let them soak for like 20 minutes, and we'll go pick another color, put them in the oven at 200 degrees, and then they'll go in the vacuum chamber. And right now, what we're doing is we're going to fill all these bins with different colors. So I think right now, what color are you making, Dad?
Green.
Green. The teal green or the emerald?
Green.
Teal green. Okay. Excellent choice. All right, guys. I'll show you all the woods before we take them out and before we put them in the oven, and just to show you guys. So this container is red. I'll show you guys. It's been soaking for a little while. Okay, so that's just a soak. And then this is teal green. I don't know if you can see it. It looks pretty good. Just on the soak, it looks pretty good. This is the brilliant blue. If I can do it. There, it's pretty good color. Okay. This is the Aztec yellow, which great color actually. I really like that on that piece of wood. And finally, we have emerald green. And so like you'll notice that I got a lot of little pieces. Oop, my bad guys. Sorry for the camera work. This is the emerald green. And so these will sit for 20 minutes, and then we will move them to maybe another color to double dye, and then bake them. Everything's been dyed twice, actually 2 different colors. Sometimes, well, that's not always true. Some of them we left in the colors because they turned out so nice. Like this is a yellow, and that turned actually from there to here is yellows. So we got emerald green here. That was, I guess this is what they were in last. Emerald green. Then we went to a blue. So these were blue. That one right there was dyed yellow on the bottom and then blue. So yellow and blue. That was teal, green, and blue. And these are starting into the yellows. They turned out really nice. Like, I am really happy. And big shout out to Envy Woodworks, actually, because without his tips and tricks video, I don't think we would have got such good results right off the bat. And these are obviously our reds. So these are going to go into the oven for like 20 minutes. Then we'll sand them, and then they'll go into our vacuum chamber for the final process. And I'll show you guys what we get when we're done. All right, guys, this is after we baked them. So this is, I guess the next step will be to sand them and to get them into the vacuum chamber. So looks like we got some good pieces here to do. So all right, guys, onto the vacuum and sanding. So if you look in the container, we just got done with vacuum, and let me know in the comments, but I probably should have read the instructions prior, and I don't know if this is going to hurt anything because it looks like it worked, but because the level went down like the inch or so, or because I filled it above an inch with the cactus juice above all the material, so that's after vacuum for 2 hours. But so here's what I want to know is, how long does it normally take to get, rough ballpark estimate, because obviously different woods, it's going to, different pores. How long does it take for the bubbles to disappear? Because on the cactus juice bottle, it says to run it until you see the bubbles disappear, and then let it soak for 2 times that time. So I think we might have almost, we didn't, it still runs, but we ran the damn vacuum for the full 2 hours, and it really ran through the oil too. So, and it was like super smoky in the shop. So obviously first timers here, but I guess in 4 hours, or I'm just gonna go to bed. It's 11 o'clock at night, but we'll see in the morning how the woods turned out, and then we'll bake them, sand them, and we'll see. All right, day 2. So I got up at 8 this morning. So I don't know what time my dad was going, but he's already put. He already been doing some of these woods. This one's got a lot of character in it. I like that. This came from my grandpa's front driveway. Not bad. I really like how these turned out. I think this bird's eye maple's got some definite good color. But yeah, so it'll be interesting to see, because I mean these were pre-dyed another color, and I'm wondering if when you turn them or whatever, if they come out, or because last night we put it under vacuum for so long that that kind of pushes all the pieces out, or the colors out of the wood. But I mean these turned out really good. I mean for my first time, not too bad. Really nice. So yeah, the rest of that, I think that pile we're gonna dye red, and this small pile we're gonna dye like a yellow or a green. So I'm really, really happy with how that turned out. We got the final piece is in the oven right now. So when that's done, is it. So anyways, thanks you guys for watching, and again, like and subscribe, and please leave a comment in down below if you know of any ways to like improve getting the two-tone colors. So, and if it's okay to leave your pump on for 2 full hours. All right. Thanks, guys.